Hello, my dear crafters. Just look at this. How cute are these, huh? Little tiny post-it note, like wallets. I made these for my, you always have to have something that is on the low budget side on your craft fairs. Oh, look at this. So I made these for that. You attract people to your table and then they get more stuff. Oh, look at this. So anyway, these are post-it notes. Let me show you one. You just open it up like that. Great to keep in your purse. Great for stocking stuffers. And also it's great for your friends from work, like co-workers. You can, make a little box and put 2 in one or in a plastic bag and just use ribbon or something. But it's really, really nice. And it's so quick to make. We're going to make one right now together. Oh, and this tray, I made that too. That's in my course on how to make baskets, bowls, and trays. So yeah, I'm so in love with making these things. So anyway, so there I'm going to use some of them for my display at my craft fair, next craft fair. So there you are. We're going to learn how to make this, and you see how fast it comes around. So this is what I have. It comes 4. This is from the Dollar Tree, and you get 4 of these. And I also have a question for you. How much do you think I should charge for this? I was thinking initially 50 cents, because each one you get 4 for $1.25. So you'd make a little bit of money, but I just cannot do that, guys. I just think it's so low, and it is your work and your time and everything. So let me know, please let me know. Should I, maybe I'll just go up to $1, and yeah, that's the lowest I can charge for anything I make, honestly. Because it's your time, it's, it's your passion, but it's also your time. So you should always charge for time too. So anyway, but let me know in the comments below, how much should you charge? Or if you make these for your craft fairs, how much do you charge? I have no idea, and I really can't come to a conclusion. So anyway, we're going to make one. Let me choose the blue. And I already have, just so you know, we're going to use this paper here by Recollections. So this one is an old one, and I have some leftovers here. So I'm going to use one. Oh, look how beautiful this one is. I love this paper. I had like 2 or 3 of these, and I'm almost done. I bought them at a sale. I think it was at Michael's. Yeah, Recollections is Michael's. So you need a tiny piece of paper with 1 sheet, with 1 6x6. You can make 3 of these, because they are 4.5 by 2. That's all you need. 4.5 by 2, and you're going to need some velcro. Okay, so these little tiny velcros. I'll have the link below to the ones I get, and they come in colors like this. So I'll use the blue, and here we are. So we're going to, it's very easy. You only do 1 scoring, that's it. And I'll tell you why. You may think, oh, I'm going to score like 4 times, but no. So what I want is for this to be on the top here, to close with this, and then this will go around like that. So because that's what I want, I am going to score, you're going to score the lower part. So that's what we're going to do here. So let me just zoom in for you so you can see very well. We're going to score at 1 3/8 of an inch. So 1 2 3/8 of an inch right here. That's all the scoring done, and I'll show you why. If you try to score all the scoring lines here, it never works. I tried many times. So the best way to do this is you're going to score here. So this is the bottom here. So you're gonna put this here right like this. Like this. See? That's what you're gonna do. This is the bottom. No, sorry. That's the bottom. So this is gonna go in the bottom here. So that's the top. The glued part is gonna stay here. So look at that. So like this. And all you're gonna do, you're just gonna do the scoring yourself. So I just do that and I press with my fingers just so I get the scoring mark. And then I'm gonna do this and this. So you just wrap it around yourself and just pinch it with your fingers, and then you're going to have the scoring lines, okay? Very easy. And now all you do is, we're just gonna help the scoring lines here. Gonna burnish. The scoring lines are done. But if you do this on the scoring board, then you might think, oh, why didn't you do it on the scoring board? Because there is no, this length here, you'll never get it right on the scoring board, because it's kind of in between 1/8 and 1/4. So it's really complicated. So what I do is I do the first scoring line. You put it in the bottom right here like this. And then you wrap it around yourself. And then you pinch it with your fingers. That's it. And we're done. So practically done. All we need to do now is a little bit of glue. How quick is this? So you can make like hundreds of this for you. Just put a little bit just to make sure that it stays in place. Make sure that this is aligned. There you are. It's perfect on both sides here. I'm just gonna move it around a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I like, you can either round the corners here. Let me show you what I did with the others. I have these, so see, I didn't round this one. Each one I did differently. Do you see? Because I use my many different rounders. I have this one that has, you've seen me use this before, because it gives you 3 options on what to do with the corners. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this one here. So it's kind of one of my favorite. So you do this. I love this tool. I use it so much. So look at that. We just had something else. So we're gonna get our little tiny dots here. So we're gonna get the velcro mini dots. Yeah. So easy to make. But I just cannot charge 50 cents for anything. So let me know what you think. Am I being too picky about this? And then you put the other one right here where it's supposed to go. So hold it in place like that. It has a lot of glue. So you just, let me put this here. So you just close it in place and you press it down. And of course now you decorate it. All you need to do is just add something. You don't have to, but I like it. So I'm just gonna add a little star. It does add a lot to it, doesn't it? So there you are. How easy was this, huh? Let me give you some more options here just so you see. See, you can round the corners, or you can just leave it, guys. You don't have to do this. So there you are. We are done. Let me just zoom out. How quick was that, and how cool is that? For co-workers, give this to your co-workers. They'll love it. Leave it, you know, put a card, get a card, and or make a card. You know, we don't get cards. We're crafters, paper crafters. We make cards. So there you go. Have plenty of these. Sure you loved it. Thank you so much. This is another quick video for your craft fair and for your Christmas gifting and your stockings and everything else. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.